Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best rinse and refresh is probably one of the most innovative laundry solutions to hit the market in years. If you're tired of lingering odors and stiff fabrics, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into this game changer, exploring its unique features, and seeing how it can transform your laundry routine. Get ready to say goodbye to those stubborn smells and hello to a fresh, clean, and revitalized wardrobe. Number 5. Downy Ball Automatic Dosing Dispenser, Single Ball. Tired of complicated laundry routines? This little ball simplifies everything. It's designed to make your clothes feel incredibly soft with ease. This dispenser is perfect for your top-loading washing machine. It's specifically made for non-HE machines, ensuring optimal performance and fabric care. Achieving soft and fresh laundry is now effortless. This product takes the hassle out of adding fabric softener, making your laundry day a breeze. If you have a traditional top loader, this is the perfect solution. It's designed to work seamlessly with your machine, delivering exceptional results every time. Simply fill it, toss it in, and let it work its magic. It's a convenient and effective way to enjoy the benefits of Downy fabric softener. What we like? This product simplifies the softening process. It's designed for easy use in traditional top-loading machines. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to achieve soft laundry, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? It automatically releases the right amount at the perfect time, which saves me from hovering around the machine. The design is simple but very effective, no leaks or mess, and it's easy to clean afterward. It did exactly what I needed and released the softener at the right time. Number 4. Tide Washer Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Introducing Tide Washing Machine Cleaner. This product is designed to keep your washing machine clean and fresh. It's a powerful cleaner that you can rely on. You'll receive a 5-month supply of Tide Washing Machine Cleaner. The powder packets activate 20% faster than tablets. This ensures you have enough to keep your machine running smoothly. This cleaner eliminates odors by lifting away residues and deposits. The Oxy Plus TAED formula provides a deep clean. It leaves your machine smelling fresh. The powder formula gets to work faster than tablets. It provides a deep cleaning action. It's also septic safe. The Oxy Plus TAED formula boosts cleaning action by over 20%. TAED works even in hard water. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Enjoy the same supercharged cleaning power with a new, milder, fresh scent. This leaves your washer clean and smelling great. You'll love the results. What we like? This cleaner eliminates odors and works faster than tablets. Its deep cleaning formula is designed to boost your washing machine's performance. If you have a front or top loader and want a fresh, clean scent, you should consider this. What people say? Leaves washing machine clean and smells great. These packets work great. This product does a great job of doing a thorough cleaning of the washing machine. Number 3. Poesie Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent Sheets 160 Count. Tired of bulky detergent bottles? These innovative sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly solution for your laundry needs. It's perfect for home, dorm, travel, and camping. Each package includes 160 pre-processed laundry strips. Simply add the sheets to your load. It's that easy. Use 1 sheet for small loads, 2 for large, and 4 for extra large. This ensures you use just the right amount, avoiding waste. It's designed to save resources. These concentrated sheets pack a punch, dissolving instantly in water. They leave your clothes fresh, clean, and comfortable. The small size makes it easy to carry. Ditch the heavy jugs and messy pods. These lightweight, recyclable sheets are perfect for home, dorms, or travel. Take it with you anytime. No more sticky hands or messy washing machines. These sheets eliminate the mess, keeping everything clean and dry. You will love it. What we like? This product offers liquidless detergent sheets that are incredibly easy to use. The sheets dissolve quickly, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. If you are looking for a convenient, eco-friendly option for home or travel, this is the one for you. What people say? These sheets are a game changer. They're super lightweight, take up barely any space in my laundry bag, and there's zero mess. Clothes come out clean, soft, and with a subtle fresh scent that isn't too strong or artificial. I love the fact that this is a no-spill, no-mess option. Number 2. Downy Rinse and Refresh Cool Cotton. Are you struggling with lingering smells in your laundry? This product is designed to tackle odors at their source. It's a powerful solution for fresher clothes. This innovative rinse goes beyond fabric softening. It acts as a laundry detergent booster, effectively removing residues and odors that regular detergents might leave behind. It helps to keep your clothes clean. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. This product is formulated to rinse away residues and odors, leaving your clothes feeling refreshed. It's a simple step for a big difference. Unlike traditional fabric softeners, this rinse helps to remove residues. This results in softer, brighter fabrics. Your clothes will feel and look better. Enjoy the light, breezy scent of cool cotton. This product not only fights odors but also leaves your clothes smelling fresh. It provides a pleasant experience. This product offers superior odor removal. It replaces your fabric softener and boosts your detergent's cleaning power. It's a powerful addition to your laundry routine. What we like. This product removes stubborn odors and rinses away residues for fresher, softer fabrics. It fights odors at the source and is heat-compatible. If you like the cool cotton scent and want to eliminate odors effectively, you should consider this. What people say. It removes tough odors without being harsh on clothes, and the cotton scent is light and pleasant. It really makes a difference in removing odors and gives laundry that crisp, just-washed feeling that lasts for days. It genuinely breaks down the set-in stink and soap film that builds up, especially in athletic wear and towels. Number 1. Downy Rinse and Refresh, Fresh Lavender, 48 fluid ounces. Tired of lingering odors in your laundry? This new product is designed to remove odors up to 3 times better than detergent alone. It leaves your fabrics looking and smelling fresh. This acts as a laundry detergent booster, replacing your liquid fabric softener. It helps remove stubborn odors and residues deep within the fabrics, ensuring a thorough clean. The breakthrough laundry odor remover rinses away residues and odors better than detergent alone. It ensures your clothes are truly clean and refreshed after every wash. Simply pour it in your liquid fabric softener dispenser or directly into the rinse cycle. It's that easy to add to your laundry routine for fresher, cleaner clothes. Unlike traditional fabric softeners, this product rinses away residues. It leaves your fabric softer, brighter, and smelling fresh, compared to using detergent alone. Enjoy the light, breezy scent of fresh lavender. It fights stinky odors, leaving your fabric smelling clean and fresh with every wash. What we like. This product removes odors up to 3 times better than detergent alone, and is safe on all fabrics. It is gentle on skin and leaves a fresh lavender scent. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective solution for your laundry, you should consider this. What people say. Removes odors and leaves clothes feeling fresh. Works great on active wear. Leaves clothes feeling soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.